wa chiribwe 30 na kianda kurwase serikali ye usase county ya KISII bono nigo bachakira amatemwa abo a Kcse Bene abwasa amatemwa matangani arenge umurimo bw'egesongo n'urio chemistry paper 1 kukwana nabarari mambi yarerekero gyo kwigoro gwe container y'amatemwa yo ase sub county ya KISII Central nigo bono musini DCC onseme yo Joseph Mwangi atebire buna hoborendi nigo boisaine wabekiro gochia kone kyabuna obibiri bwa matemo mburi gochia kone kiwa muri kito weekly forenge agotwigoro robot rwa senchira yoboikirano
ekera amatemwa manena Kcse achakire bene miense ya Kenya ABAOROKIGWA gwetania chiribu 39 29 nigo bachakire gwikaransira amatemwa yo imiye county ya KISII ase amatemwa yo nigo abaisike bale chiribu 19 chimia isano na ibere na 90 ama nabamura nigo bale chiribu 19 chimia inye na 19 ase sub county ya KISII Central nigo bwigori amatemwa yo bwakorekana ensa ya mwigoro emambe ya lero abo asa ABAOROKIGWA abo bachakire umurimo o chemistry n'egesongo lisakara litangani agokwana nabarali mambi ya lero magiga yo kuigura container ya matemwa yo nigo musina DCC ase sub county ya KISII Central aina kebuna nigo obolendi boisaine bobekire elio kwene kebuna bwebali bwa matemwa yo tibuli gocheka korekana.
Kcse started today. Of course we have finished with the Kcse. This is their last day. So, but not basically that they have started today, Kcse. We had the exam last week, but today is the theory papers that have started. We have a total number of candidates, 4,600, with 44 schools. We are urging them to be very careful. We want to retain very high level of integrity for this exam. We don't want to get closed. We don't want them switching off CCTV. We will be monitoring. Myself and my director here, we will be going round and we will be checking what is happening. We are really discouraging any fishy thing to happen in the school.
Onyana bo ni garu bosemye gochia asa ABAOROKIGWA bali bakolera amatemwa Kcse ama na Kcse buna batwara maskani gochia asa baiboli goika cheskuru chigwairwe.
We are headed to Christmas festivals. And we know it is a long holiday. Those Kcse students who have finished, they should remember that in January they will be in senior school. So they take care of themselves. And I'm urging parents to just develop a keen interest in what the children will be doing. This time is too long and there are so many things that might happen in between. And especially on a drug consumption, that is smoking of bangi, consumption of illicit brews. I would wish parents to take a keen interest. These children, we need them in January in senior school. We don't want them to get lost in between. And there are so many dangers that they may face.
Bono amaisonsi ni galigiriti ABAOROKIGWA abuo ba Kcse ekero bagoche kogendera na matemwa abo abuo asankyo para chakora lisakara litangani liesabu amone gesongo lisakara lia kabere.
Hao wanafanya form 4 ningetaka tu kuomba mujue kwamba bado muko student until when you finished, and even when you finish ujue umekuja kuwa raia na tutakutana na ninyi. So mimi nataka waweze kuwa na nidhamu ya hali ya juu katika mashule. We don't want situation where they destroy school properties. This is public property or government property, and it is them who will meet the cost. So I'm urging the students who are sitting for the Kcse to be disciplined. I've had teachers complain, anakuambia sasa utadu, mimi sasa I'm no longer a student even if I sit as a day scholar. No. Hata ukiwa day scholar we will follow you. Hata ukiwa wapi. You have to be disciplined until the end. And now that you have maintained that discipline from Form 1, what makes it difficult for you to be disciplined in Form 4?
Nigo yatigere asa ABAOROKIGWA bwe kogendera okromokia elinda baitu byasa matemwa yo inko reporteria Ensoko TV kurwagaiga asoboga tagatibo mu cyobosongo EKAONTI ya KISII Retriane Wycliffe Orenge.